I wish someone had told me this at 18. Nobody is coming to save you. Not motivation. Not luck. Not the perfect opportunity. The life you want is built by the choices you make every single day. Every time you say, I'll start tomorrow, you're teaching yourself to stay the same. Every workout you skip, every book you don't read, every hour you waste, you're becoming the person you never wanted to be. Here's the truth. Discipline isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, one hard decision at a time. The moment you stop waiting and start taking responsibility, your life begins to change. 1 year from now, you'll either wish you had started today, or you'll thank yourself that you did. Your future is watching. Don't disappoint him.